Hello friends, welcome to the new video. Today video we have created one of the utility which we have created for you guys. Exciting video. Please follow and do like and subscribe this video and share it with your friends. Friends, most of our friends are they are saying that they don't have SPSS file. Then how they will edit or they check the data file of SPSS? So friends, we have created one utility with the help of Python, which help you to create Excel file without opening or without having any SPSS file. You just need to provide a path and it will create you an Excel file in which you can see your data and value labels, variable labels, whatever in the data is there. So I just show you how you can use it. Friends, this is exe file. You just need to double click over here. Now it will ask you about the SPSS file. If you don't have SPSS tool in your system, doesn't matter. You just need to provide a path with that. And now it will ask you to create a Excel file, whatever you want to give it, name it to it. I'm just giving as a ABC. I'm using the same SPSS file which we have already created for you guys as an example. So I'm using same file. Whatever SPSS file you have, but you don't have SPSS to open it in your system, you can use this utility. I just giving a path and name. Now it will creating for you a Excel file. The same location where you have the SPSS, it will create Excel file on same location. If you see, I have given ABC. Now it will create an ABC. Just open it and see. It shows you the data, number of records, and whatever the data is there in SPSS. It will also create another sheet where you can see variable labels and value labels. So this utility is useful for those guys who don't have SPSS in their system. Most of the guys in our video and channel, they are asking about the SPSS crack version or SPSS where they can buy it, but they don't have right now, and still they want to work on SPSS. And so guys, you can use this SPSS to convert it into Excel, and you can do whatever you edit or you what you want to check the data or value labels or variable label. So this utility is very helpful to those guys who didn't have SPSS right now, and it will create your SPSS. It will create your SPSS to Excel in just a few seconds, and you don't need to have SPSS. Even you don't have in your SPSS in your system, and it will create Excel file which you provide more flexibility to work on, like checking data or variable labels and value labels. So friends, this utility we have created with the help of Python. So more utility we will provide in future. So guys, those who find this video is really helpful and it's really provide you good stuff. So please like and subscribe, and please share with your friends who really needed it. Your help is really motivate us and boost to create more and more this type of videos. Thank you so much, friends.